Maisy Goes Camping, a Maisy First Experiences book. Maisy Goes Camping by Lucy Cousins. One day, Maisy decided to go camping. And all her friends came along. They found the perfect place to make a camp. Pitching a tent is not easy, but everyone worked together. Oh no! The tent fell down, so they tried again and again until the tent stayed up. Good job, everyone! That night, they sang around the campfire. Then it was time for bed. Cyril went in first with his flashlight. 1 in the tent. Next came Charlie. Watch the pegs. 2 in the tent. Then it was Tulua's turn. 3 in the tent. Make room for Maisy. 4 in the tent. Is there room for one more? Come on, Eddie. Oh no! 5 in the. What a squash! What a squeeze! What a squeezy squish squash! 5 in the tent. Good night, campers. Pop! Out came Cyril. Pop! Out came Tallulah. Pop! Out came Charlie. Pop! Out came Maisy. 1 in the tent. 4 under the stars. Sleep tight, campers. Hoo! Hoo! The end.